guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, my name is Kike. So you already read the title, so you know what's going on. My sister's very kindly allowed me to film her opening up her A-level results, which is very exciting. So yeah, so before I jump to the video, I just want to quickly say something to you guys, because I know a lot of people watching this video will be people who are opening their results. So I know how tight this year has been for everyone. It's literally blindsided us. Like, you guys really didn't get to sit your exams, and that is mad. Like, that has never happened before. Like, it's crazy. And I usually would say, like, your grades don't define you, and I stick by that. You're so much more than letters written down on a piece of paper. But I think that applies even more this year. You didn't get to sit your exams, so for a lot of people, your grades are being determined by teachers. I just think that whether you're happy with your grades or you're not so happy with your grades, you should find solace in the fact that you didn't get to sit your exams. You are so much more than what your teacher has predicted you, what your teacher thinks you're capable of. It's so unfortunate that you didn't get the opportunity to prove these teachers. But like I said, you are so much more than your grades anyway. So I just want to say, well done. Like, I know obviously because you guys have been off for what, 5+ months now, like, it might just feel like, okay, this kind of just has hit me, but like, you've actually made it through the whole of formal education, and you deserve a round of applause for that, no matter what grade you got. So that's all I want to say. Just a quick well done. I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm gonna hop into the video, because I know you guys are here to see my sister open her results. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, so I haven't really explained any of like the whole thing, so I don't know if you want to explain a bit, or so you want to study medicine?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
So let's see what happened.
What had happened was,
anyways,
applied obviously to 5 medical schools.
No, 4.
Four medical schools, and then
A backup,
which was
midwifery, and then you got rejected from all.
No, say probably you got.
Yeah,
the other 2 you got rejected.
Let me start from beginning. I had my midwifery interview. They said, "Get out of here." And then what's it called? I had the 2 medical ones, and then they didn't even give me a chance to do the interview. They said, okay, and then what's it called? And I got 2 interviews. Then I went to the interview, and they said, see ya. Then yes, I was there for 0 offers, and then what's it called? There was a choice between taking a gap year or like applying to Bulgaria, and you know, my mum said, you better get your ass and then, so what's it called, today for results day now, and I'm trying to see if I can apply to medical school through clearing. Yeah,
okay. What grades will you wake up and be like, oh my god, it's all over Jackie?
if I get if I get A B, it's just like I mean, I can still try and call, but it's just like
grades are we trying to see?
So we're trying to see A star A B to A star A A.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
So what are your final thoughts before I switch off the camera, because my arm's aching me now?
You know, trust in the process, trust in God.
Oh yeah, motivation now.
It's just a grade. Grade doesn't define you. You're worth so much more.
Period.
You know.
Why did you have to say it in that sarcastic voice though?
Who's saying it in the sarcastic voice?
It's currently 7:46, which means her results get released in, okay, don't make me do maths, 14 minutes. Okay, it's results day.
Yay.
She said yay. How are you feeling?
I'm good, yeah. I just want to see what the results I got, yeah. Excuse me, man. It's 8 o'clock. I guess it would come through on my phone too, so I guess 8 o'clock wasn't the real time.
Since you just turned 8, it's a whole minute.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, Kim, I'm scared.
Are you doing it on your phone? We congratulate you. No, it's on results, thank you. Wait a minute. What? This isn't... I don't understand. I don't understand at all. It's not even making sense at all. As outlined. It was just, I don't get it, you know. Yeah, I didn't, what's it called? I got BBC. Which is not making sense because I got an A star on my mock. I got an A star predicted, and I've been getting A stars for a year in psychology, and then it's not making sense in it. I mean, chemistry makes sense, but the rest of it is just not making sense. Congratulate you. If you have any query, just doesn't make any sense. I don't know. Okay, so what's it called?
What did you say to them?
I said, to whom this may concern, I'm confused over my exam results due to the fact I received an A star in my psychology mock, but got a B, and also got an A in my biology, but also received a B. Just thinking, is there any way to, what's it called? We'll see.
Get it changed as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Because that doesn't actually make sense at all. That's a joke.
Exactly. But at least you've got that appeal thing now because you can't get that within your mock result. So.
I'm just a bit confused. Did they miss the memo? Because it was clear.
That's the same thing I think it's got a loss job.
Do you want me to go to mum and dad?
No, they've shown it, but I've emailed my school because even the exam results they gave me don't make sense.
Huh?
I said I've emailed my school because the exam results they gave me don't even make sense.
That did that. Who wants that? They gave you BBC. Kí ló ń ṣe school ẹ yìí?
I don't know.
BBC kẹ.
Because for
Tony Henry no
whoever predicting on A star, you know what I'm saying? Well, okay, we are going to do everything we can do, but what's the process?
The process of appeal.
Yeah.
Ah, that's unfair now. Even go chemistry yẹn B ló yẹ kán fún now. This is really unfair.
Bruh.
Hi. It was told in an email that I should book an appointment to talk to teachers about my exam results online, but I couldn't find it on the school website.
Right, the email was sent to you by school post, so I can give it to you now if you've got a pen.
Yes.
2020.
That's not what you want.
That's not what you want.
Good morning.
That's not what you want.
Hello?
Hello?
We already have the result. What we want to do is to appeal, so we need the appointment with the teacher. We already have the result.
What you need to do, sir, please, I was halfway getting through the email address to your daughter.
Yeah.
So that's the process. So you have to go through the email address, and the right person will then come back to you.
We have to send an email because that's not what the email said. He said we should book an appointment. That's why I want to check. She ain't got to school, so it doesn't say that. Don't they argue? It's like a stupid woman.
People are stressed, and you're saying no. You need to count like.
Yeah, because that's not what he said on the email. Said you have to book appointment through the school website. So she'll so quick come and send the email ni.
Email ìgbà wo lèyàn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa reply sí email. You should be able ready to exactly really to support children. Máa ríyàn gbà tó adébẹ̀ lẹ́ni tó bóyá wọ́n máa lè wá padà tó tọ́ ni mo sọ. It's true. Because this is somebody's do or lie life now. It's not a joke. Then they should let them do the exam. Why they ti jẹ́ kó ń ṣe lórí internet àbí kíní? Bóyá èèyàn mẹ́wàá ló máa. They could have just done that when they know they couldn't manage it.
That's what I'm looking at now. They're all just saying they failed.
Àwọn èèyàn sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Yeah, I got a DDE, 2 Ds and an F.
Why are they doing that? Why? Tó o bá rí exam, it's true.
government just they didn't care.
Maybe this is the opportunity. Wọ́n fẹ́ ṣọmọ pé wọ́n ti ń sọ wọ́n fẹ́ káwọn ọmọ lọ university náà dé pa àwọn ọmọ gbà lọ wọ́n kọ́ làwọn people ìkà.
So that I wouldn't be able to put you through to our next response group.
I'm also from BBC.
So your final words before I close out the video.
I just feel the government really didn't know what they were doing with these results. Like the grades I received weren't anywhere near my predicted grades. I also feel a bit like although there was some fault with the government, it was also fault with my school as well. I just feel like the way they explained it was a maths teacher made a model to create the grades, but I don't understand why my actual teacher who teaches me wouldn't decide which grades that I was gonna get. And I just feel like in a way my teachers kind of played a part in me not achieving the grades that I need to go to university, and then had the audacity to tell me to oh yeah, it's okay, oh it's all fine, when it's no, but you're the ones who gave me those grades and I just don't know why you would do that. But at this point there's just nothing I can do. Obviously it's just a grade and I didn't do the exam, so
Doesn't define you.
It doesn't define me and stuff like that. Obviously I've applied to universities through clearing. I'm hoping to hear back from a couple of them, just on the off chance maybe a miracle or something that they'll give it back. But if not, I'm just gonna go to Bulgaria. I'm okay with that. It's not I'm really really upset I have to go to Bulgaria. It's fine. So yeah, I'm okay.
Here's what's next on my channel.
Edition on all the basics of uni. This is your uni starter pack. So I'm going to tell you everything that I wish I knew before I went to uni. You see me in this University of Nottingham top, you already know we're talking about uni.